Cosmetic dental procedures to enhance your smile. Pictures are the perfect way to show off your smile, which you can enhance by visiting a cosmetic dentist and learning about the different procedures. With regard to a cosmetic dentist, Brisbane has many talented experts. As technology continues to advance, cosmetic dentistry also continues to introduce more innovative methods that can transform your teeth to give you your desired smile. Teeth whitening. Teeth whitening and bleaching is one of the most common cosmetic dental procedures to keep your teeth free from stain and discoloration. It is a quick procedure that can help brighten your teeth without having to spend too much. Bleaching can also help turn your teeth a few shades lighter if you want to have whiter teeth. Dental veneers. When you think of cosmetic dentistry, veneers are probably one of the first things that come to mind. Dental veneers are typically custom made from ceramic or porcelain to resemble the appearance of your natural teeth and help improve your smile. The procedure can be done to treat several concerns such as crooked teeth, large teeth gaps, or chipped teeth. If you are interested in getting veneers, it will be best to talk to your cosmetic dentist. When it comes to a cosmetic dentist, Brisbane has many professionals who know what material will suit your case or whether the procedure will be appropriate for you. Since porcelain veneers are irreversible, you have to make sure you are certain before getting the process done. Now, Invisalign braces. Invisalign braces are a popular option for adults who want to fix their smile without the visible metal braces that you commonly see, as the name suggests. Similar to traditional braces, Invisalign can also correct problems with your bite or teeth alignment, and of course it has the added benefit of aesthetics. Dental implants. Implants are used to replace missing or lost teeth and are considered to be one of the most common dental procedures done in Australia. They are typically made of titanium and attached to your jawbone to act as an anchor for a dental crown or denture. Aside from being able to fill the space of the missing tooth, the crown of a dental implant will be custom designed to match the size and shape of your other teeth, so it looks indistinguishable. Tooth bonding. Bonding can improve the appearance of your tooth if it is discolored, decayed, or broken. In this procedure, the cosmetic dentist will drill out the tooth decay, then bond tooth-colored materials like a composite resin to cover the damage and give off the appearance of natural teeth. Tooth bonding is one of the most affordable cosmetic dental procedures, so it is an excellent choice. If you are looking for a cost-effective way to improve the appearance of your teeth, although the idea of cosmetic dental procedures may seem tempting, make sure to first consult with your dentist to know what will best suit your teeth and meet your needs. Some procedures may be more expensive than others, so you want to make sure you choose the most appropriate one to enhance your smile. If you like our videos, like and subscribe our channel.